What
you know how I really like slime?
I do know that you like slime. You play with it like every day.
I know. Hey guys, it's Olivia here with Sierra, and today we are doing the blindfolded slime challenge.
As you guys can tell, I'm the clean one.
How can you tell? Oh, I made slime! Look at this. So we're just gonna start unwrapping them.
Look at that.
Yeah, like
Out of Starburst.
3 color glue slime challenge. What I hit?
Nothing.
Okay, we're gonna reveal our slime in 3, 2, 1.
Here it is! Okay, mix it. Here it goes. I love you. I'll miss you. Ah! Okay guys, so that is all the slimes. They're all in this huge container.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh! Ooh! I actually don't regret this anymore because this is gonna be so much fun to play with at home. I think I'm going to add some color to it. What's your favorite type of slime? So you guys can just comment the number and comment your answer. Thanks for watching. Bye.